What a smart strategy. Those remote-controlled excavators are taking down the old bridge without putting anyone at risk. Safety measures like this are essential. Oh man, a flat tire on a steep turn? That's a recipe for trouble. It must have been a wild ride, especially with all that cargo on board. Thank goodness the driver made it out safe. Completely unharmed, not even a scratch. It was unbelievable. The look of happiness on his face said it all. Driving on that windy, slippery road was bad enough, but then the trees started to fall. Picture this, a 104-meter high crane in Freeport, and the team had to bring it down into a confined space. It sounds impossible, but O'Brien's team executed the controlled collapse perfectly. Can you imagine the sight? A massive truck, not just powering down the road, but drifting around corners like it's defying physics. Pure adrenaline.
Sí, más que verme.
It's shocking to think that even a massive crane couldn't prevent such a disaster. Forks too high? That's a dangerous gamble. The fire spread quickly, turning the loaded sugarcane truck into an inferno. By some miracle, the driver escaped without a scratch. Second-gen Cummins, 53-foot trailer, off-road? It's like watching a beast conquer a battlefield. way he maneuvered that beast was like watching a stunt show. You couldn't believe your eyes. Can you believe it? That M1070 got stuck in the sand. It's a beast of a machine, but even the toughest can meet their match in tricky terrain. The effort of lifting a boat is immense. It's a tough, physically demanding task, and sometimes even the mightiest crane finds it hard to keep up.
Oh, go there. Oh, that's not good.
That's a monumental task. The icy terrain adds a whole new layer of complexity to the operation. Can you believe the luck? That motorcycle just barely escaped as the cement truck's tire blew out while turning. It was like a scene straight out of a movie. Oh my, a dual demolition like that is so intense. It really drives home the point that managing risks and implementing safety protocols is crucial. That was a bold move by the forklift operator, but now with the engine underwater, it's clearly his last day at work. It's a tough lesson learned. Well, that crane's trip down the river took a surprising turn. It looks like the adventure will end way before anyone anticipated. The Universal 445 DT is a beast when it comes to pulling wood. Oh no, what a nail-biting situation. It's so difficult to see who's to blame in a moment like this. Just because the steel pipes were too large and bulky, the truck's front lifted right off the ground as it turned the corner. What a wild sight. The dug fir was ablaze and about to crown. Removing it was essential to stop the wildfire from spreading beyond the perimeter. A jet truck dragster is one of the most thrilling machines in motorsport, combining the raw power of a jet engine with the spectacle of drag racing. Rolling on compacted snow is almost guaranteed when driving a tractor. It might look funny, but from inside it's far from it. Don't worry. Rescuing a 25-ton crane with a seized 6016 engine is no easy task. It's like trying to revive a sleeping giant that's stuck in place.
Pinnacle по колесу, ложи нахуй. Ёбаный в рот!
He must have had a guardian angel, because walking away from that unscathed was pure luck. The rescue was a double dose of sorrow. You could see the heartbreak in the owner's eyes. Oh no, the wooden bridge was no match for that overloaded logging truck. The way that Crane hoisted the 12-wheel truck is nothing short of spectacular. Heavy lifting made to look like child's play. Watching heavy trucks tackle a sharp turn is enough to drive any driver crazy. The struggle for balance and control is real. Going down the mountain pass is the ultimate test of a truck driver's skills. Every curve feels like a battle against gravity. With freight piled high, this truck driver is experiencing some wild driving antics.
Остановиться не может.
Can you even guess what this gazelle has faced? I held my breath as the log loader approached the steep incline. The way the truck driver navigated the challenging descent left everyone speechless. What an amazing moment. She is the hero of the day. The weight of those 50-ton panels proved too much, turning what should have been a successful lift into a nightmare. Wow, those operators really know their stuff. What's happened? To drive such cars, you need to have a lot of experience.